For a business horizons, the audience is a managerial audience. So the opportunity we have is to take our research and our knowledge and distill it down into something that's going to be very impactful and relevant to a manager or to a policymaker in this case.
I'm a consulting editor for Business Horizons. The main issue is that academics really aren't speaking to policy. We, for the most part, are trying to inform other academics. And then our second biggest audience would be business people, business practitioners. And there's really not a lot of attention paid to trying to influence policy and educate policymakers about what they might do differently in order to make situations better. So we're basically trying to help fill that gap.
The novelty of this initiative is really amazing. There is no place else that we are seeing this kind of collaborative effort around policy implications and supply chain. And I think when you have a room full of people who are able to sit together and collaborate and share ideas, that transfer of knowledge is really important, because when I learn something from this kind of environment and this kind of engagement, now I'm going to take it to my classrooms, to my university, and I'm going to share that. So that knowledge spillover that you get because of engagements like this is really important in terms of the ability to scale this.
I think the group is really prestigious. It's almost like an all-star team in the sports context, where you're pulling great performers from different organizations, bringing them all together to try to achieve excellence.
Obviously, most of the time, policy initiatives are driven out of a sense of well-being for society, out of a sense of well-being for the community. And the reality is we create many wonderful policy initiatives that are well-intended, but ultimately are very difficult to implement from an operational perspective, or very difficult to execute from a supply chain perspective. The Walton College's Supply Chain Policy Initiative is doing very important work that allows us to translate what's happening from a policy perspective into the day-to-day operations of our supply chain. It allows us to identify areas that may be challenging from a policy perspective to actually make happen on a day-to-day basis. And more importantly, develop and describe interventions that can actually make policy implementable today. It's a great opportunity for the Walton College Supply Chain Policy Initiative to have an opportunity to take what's traditionally very academically rigorous research and translate it in a way that's interesting and digestible for practitioners. We have an opportunity to talk about and to share the impact of our research with business leaders and supply chain leaders who can make a difference in their organizations.